Climber Dad channel is mainly about inspiration and education for creation. Now, I'm just an ordinary guy, a dad, out there following my dream in owning and operating a climbing gym. And I do a lot of the things myself. I've learned a lot along the way, and I would like to share those things with you. And I hope to learn a lot more as well. And I would like you to join me on this journey. If it's something that sounds like you might be interested in, please hit that subscribe button and then tell this to others that would be interested in it as well. It'll help me out, it'll help me grow, and it'll help me continue to share these things with you and push forward in our education and our growth together. So please join the Climber Dad family, and I'll see you next time right here on Climber Dad.